Bam. Hey guys, back with another video. It's been a while. It's Carl's Garage. Just wanted to make a new video. I'm going to try to upload more videos as I go. It's been a while since I got to see you guys, but I'll be doing more videos on this car, which is my girlfriend's Toyota Corolla 2016. And then I have my car, which is a 2015 Kia Optima. So today, I took the car to go get a synthetic oil change, which is something that we've done with the car since 2016, since she bought it. Got some gloves. Shout out to AutoZone. I'm not sponsored, but shout out to AutoZone. They gave me free gloves today to help me with this corrosion cleanup, as you guys can see here. So I took her to go get an oil change, and the girl brought it, got the oil change from Grease Monkey. Shout out to Grease Monkey. We only get our oil change there. They're right here in Houston, Texas, and really good place. They vacuum out your car. They clean your windshield, and they show you things like this. So today we're just gonna do a little corrosion cleanup. I don't have a vacuum cleaner. I do have a few vacuum cleaners here, but we use them for interior things. So I don't want to vacuum this stuff up in your personal vacuum cleaner. I wouldn't suggest it. You can if you want to. I wouldn't suggest it. You don't, especially if you have little kids running around, you don't want this stuff coming back out of the vacuum cleaner and getting left in your carpet and stuff like that. It just isn't a smart idea to vacuum this up. So our option is to wipe it off. I got this is a simple fix. It's just a corrosion. A lot of batteries do this over time, especially as they get older. So I got this thing right here. I don't know if it's in focus or not. It's a little brush. Hopefully that's in focus. It has a brush down here. And then as we open it up, I also got this from AutoZone. Open it up. You open this up, and there's a brush right here. So there's a brush here. So you can kind of go on top, and then there's this brush right here. Me, I'm just gonna flick this stuff off with this brush. Again, I'm doing just a quick little cleanup job here. I'm gonna put this to the side. And then after I get done doing that, I'm gonna put this battery cable terminal grease on there. I don't know if that's in focus, but this is what I'm gonna put on there. After I clean it all off, I'm gonna take off the negative battery terminals. I'm gonna take off the negative and positive battery terminal, and I'm gonna clean it up real good. And then I'm gonna put the grease on there, put the terminals back on there. It should definitely do the job. You shouldn't see any more corrosion. You can get those little discs, the little red and green discs. I chose not to do that, but if you want to do both, more power to you. Totally agree with both. I just was in a rush, and I just wanted to just get the grease. I've used the grease before at different shops that I've worked at, and it works just fine. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get start taking these off. Mine are 10 millimeter, so I'm going to go ahead and take. You don't have to do the brace because we're just cleaning it up. So I'm just going to go ahead and just take these off with a 10 millimeter socket. Let's see. Oh, these are. Oh, it's not a 10. It looks like it's a 12. Actually, it is a 10. I took off the wrong. It is a 10 for this one. And somewhere in here, there's actually a 10 in here. I'm going to clean this one off and then find the 10 millimeter. I'm going to go in and take off the negative battery terminal first. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Oh yeah, this corrosion's on there real good. See how this works. There we go. Sometimes you just got to pry it apart. You can loosen it up. Get that off. Shake that real good. Okay, that's off. Now you're safe. Now we'll take the wire brush. Always have eye protection on. I'm using my glasses, but I should have even more eye protection on because this stuff goes everywhere into the air. You just want to scrape it off. Definitely get in there, scrape the contact off. I'm going to turn on my fan. I have a fan here to blow it this way. Falling apart. You never want to blow it. You don't want to blow it because then it'll go everywhere. You just want to scrape it off as best as possible. Yeah, real good. I'm going to get a rag. I'll be right back. On my other phone. I'm going to do a before and after, so I'll add some pictures after of before and after. before. Okay, then the next picture will be after. Get all this gunk and grime off of here. The stuff just flakes right off. You can use this to get into different corners. Now that the 10mm bolt is exposed, we'll take this off.